You multiply a number by itself, just like 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9, and we're square numbers. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 11 was 21. 12 times 12 is 144. We are square numbers. Multiply a number by itself, you get a square number. 1, 4, 9 and 16. 25, 36 and 49. 64, 81, 100, 121, 144. We are square numbers. Multiply a number by itself and get a square number.
Hello, welcome to another exciting time on quantitative reasoning. Today we are going to be treating a very interesting topic, and the topic is subtraction and squared numbers. Quickly, a given sample will be given to us, and we are going to figure how we are going to get each of these numbers. Now the sample given to us here, you can see we have 50, 40, 100, the 30, 10, 400, 10, 9 and 1. Now in this question we are going to try as much as possible to see how we are going to figure out 100. How are we going to get 100? Now the first thing you do is to think logically. Now you discover that when I subtract 50 and 40, I'll get 10. Okay, now from my 10, I can do the square of 10. The square of 10 is 10 times 10. 10 multiplied 10 will give me 100. Now you can see that is how we can get 100. 50 minus 40 give us 10. Then the square of 10 give us 100. Now remember, quantitative is not always a one-way thing. You may be asked to look for 40. Remember, when we were looking for 100, we subtracted and we did the square of the answer we got in our subtraction. Now If you square to get 100, therefore mean when you are going backward, you are going to do the opposite of square. And the opposite of square is square root. The opposite of square is square root. Now we are going to do the square root of 100, and the square root of 100 is 10 times 10. So meaning 10 is the number that multiply itself to give you 100. Therefore the square root of 100 is 10. Okay, now from 10, how do we get 40? To get 40 is simple. Okay, we are going to get 50 first. Now to get 50 from our 10 is very simple. What you do is to add what you got in your square root, add it to 40, and you get your 50. Very simple. Okay, what you got in your square root, you add it to 40 and you get 50. Now if you are going on the other way around to get 40, what you got in your square root, okay, you subtract it from 50 and you will get 40. It's as simple as that. What you got in your square root, you subtract it from 50 and you get 40. Young scholar, young mathematician, my scientist to be in the future, I want you to go over this lesson, try and understand, and whenever any sample comes before you on quantitative, please reason it out critically and come out with a good solution. I want you to go over this teaching and then go to your quiz session and make me proud. Till we meet again in our next class. Bye for now.